Hi there, thank you for watching my video today. Today I am going to bring you this gorgeous fold over flap gift bag, and it is a pretty good sized gift bag. The great thing about this is that you can make it in advance, fold it flat and store it for you to use later. I have embellished it with this cute little butterfly, and I have used the papers in contrast with each other. I have used pastel colors for this, but you can always change the colors according to the function or the event or the occasion that you want to use the gift bag for. It does have a handle for you to pick this up, and these are the pattern papers that I have used. You can replace the pattern papers with a plain cardstock or contrasting colors as you like. So without any further ado, let's just get started. For this gift bag, you are going to need 2 pieces of cardstock or pattern paper, whatever you want to use. I am using pattern paper, and both of these measure 8¼ inches by 11 inches. For the back and the front panel, on the long side of this pattern side, because I am keeping this as the back and the top flap panel, and my plain one is going to be my front is going to be this plain piece. So for the back and the front flap, you are going to score at 1½ inches and 7½ inches. Okay, for the front panel, what you're going to do is you are going to score at 1/2 inch and 3½ inches on the 11 inches side, which is your long side. Then for the side panels, you need 2 pieces of pattern paper. I'm keeping mine same as the front of the bag to keep that symmetry all around. You're going to need 2 pieces that measure 4 inches by 8 inches, and on the long side you are going to score at 1/2 inch at 2, and then you're going to rotate so that this 1/2 inch tab is at the bottom. You're going to score at 1/2 inch and 3½ inches on the short side. Then you want to make another score line at 2 inches, but just up till this first score line. If I bring this closer, you'll see that this is the 1/2 inch score line. This is at 3½, and this one is at 2 inches, and it is just up till this score line. Then you need your ruler to work only in this rectangle, and you need to draw a score line from this point up till this point where this square is starting off, and you need to do this on this side as well, and you need to do this on both the sides. I have already prepared one side, and these are the 1/2 inch tabs, and this is the bottom tab, and these are those score lines. Now what I have done on the inside is I have reinforced this score line on the inside with this see-through tape, just because sometimes when we are making the gift bags and they undergo a lot of folding and then opening, so they tend to tear up. So I have reinforced the inside with the sellotape. I'll do the same on this piece as well. So this is all the scoring that you need to do. Let's just quickly fold and burnish all the score lines. Now on the front panel, you have this 1/2 inch tab, and you want to place this on the inside of the other piece over here. Basically, you are going to attach both the front and back pieces together. Then this is going to form the base of your bag, and this is going to come up like this. And this score line that we have drawn over here at 1½ inches is going to be basically for our for the flat folding of the gift bag. Okay, so I'm going to put glue over here on this 1/2 inch tab. I'm going to place this over here on this You can paste this on the outside as well, but since this is going to show on the outside, I prefer it being on the inside. Make sure that both of these edges line up properly, like this. Okay, now for the side pieces, you are going to cut this. You are basically going to remove this entire square on both the right and left hand sides. So I'm going to cut a wedge off of both the sides, and you're going to get something like this. Okay, so this is your 1/2 inch tab, which is going to attach over here on the base of it. And from the top, again, I'm going to take a bit off from the top. And now fold on these score lines like this, like this. And now I would like to put on some tape here. So this is the tape that I use. This is the see-through tape. I like to reinforce the inside of the gift bag with this. Some more on the bottom and the score line as well. So just quickly reinforce this with your bone folder too. Okay, now let's just put the sides together. You want to put glue on this 1/2 inch tab. You want to line up this folded edge with this edge of the base of the gift bag. So very carefully, just take your time and put it together. This is one more example of a deconstructed gift bag, and I have made quite a few sizes in this way already. If you haven't watched those gift bags, I'll link the playlist up here. You can go and have a look at those gift bags. They are very easy beginner level projects, and if you're just starting off with making gift bags, that playlist would be really helpful for you. So again, putting the glue on the second side piece. What am I doing wrong here? Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's right. So here. Now I like to bring over these, and this is going to be the front of our gift bag. You're going to put glue on these 1/2 inch tabs now. And you're going to fold this on the inside, and you're going to bring this front flap up, and you're going to align these together like this. Just reinforce it. And do the same on this side as well. Just bring this up and make sure that they are both lining up properly. Now you're going to do the same on both of these 1/2 inch tabs on the other side as well, and then you're going to bring this back flap on top of them. Once all the sides are stuck, you're going to just pinch on these middle score lines, and you are going to fold the top of the flap over on top like this. Okay, so this is your fold over flap gift bag. For closing the gift bag, for holding it actually, I would like to have the handle, and for this I am going to come in almost 2 inches from either side, and you want to make a hole right on the score line. As you can see, I've made my measurements and I have made the dot right on the score line. If you have a hole punch big enough that can go through this, you can use it, but I'm going to use my handheld punch, and this is going to very easily punch hole for me. I should have done this step before putting the bag together, but it's okay. I have made the holes, and I'm just going to fold the bag flat now. I'm going to fold the flap over like this. And for closing the gift bag, you want, I'm just going to cut, there's a bit of overhang here. Just want to cut that on this side. This just slide tad bit. It's actually getting caught up when I'm folding the bag here and here as well. Yeah. Now it's fine. Now it's not getting caught up here. For adding a bit of extra detail, I would like to round off the corners here, and this is my 5 mm corner rounder punch, and I'm going to round the corners on both the sides. It gives a more, you know, neatened out look like this. For closing the gift bag, I would like to use my Velcro dots, and these are again the 13mm ones, and I'm going to use a pair. I'm going to use actually 2 pairs for these. You want to fold the bag flat, and you want to put them up here. If you want, you can use 1 Velcro dot as well, but I think 2 would be good because it's a large bag. And then fold it all flat, and then just let it sit where it wants to sit. Give it a good press, and then carefully open the gift bag. These are the shop brought handles, and I always save these from gift bags that come in, and I'm going to just feed it through the holes that I have made. These handles always come in handy for all these gift bags, because you know you don't want to feed the ribbon through and then make a knot, and you do not want that a lot of stuff happening. So like this, close the bag, and I have cut myself out this butterfly, and this is an old die that I have. Let me just look at, where did I put it? It is from Sizzix. Okay, so I have just cut it out, and I'm going to give it some 3 dimension. I'm going to paste it right over here. and I'm just going to put glue in the body part of it. Make sure that it is centered. So here is your fold over gift bag, and if I open to show you the space on the inside, it has quite a lot of space for you to fit in a large gift as well. It measures almost 7.5 inches by 8.25 inches and is 3 inches deep. If you want to put in a heavy gift inside this, you can always reinforce the base with more cardstock or even a piece of chipboard so that it doesn't tear from the base. And the reinforcement of the sides always helps for you to carry the bag. You can carry the bag like this as well. Okay, so I hope that you have liked today's video. Please let me know in the comments and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.